Dude, oh my God, it's so good. Hello, all of you beautiful people out there. It is me, Madison. I hope you're doing so well today. Today's mukbang, we are going to be having pizza. Oh my goodness, pizza. I'm so excited. I love pizza. So I went to Whole Foods today and I got their biggest pizza that they have. I think it's like 16 or 18 inches. I'm not too sure. I got vegan pizza, you guys, and we'll talk about the toppings here in a minute. But first things first, what is something that goes on pizza? Hi, baby. You guys, my husband's home. Hi, husband. How random. I'm doing a mukbang. You guys, my husband just came home early from work. Oh my God, that's so funny. He did not want to be in the video. He's so shy. He's like, oh no, I'm not coming over there. It's so funny. Okay, so what was I saying? What goes with pizza? Like, what do you have to have with pizza? Ranch, okay? Yes, ma'am. So I have my ranch right here, vegan ranch. If you want to know how to make vegan ranch, I'm going to put the link right there. Go watch that video. It's so easy. It's so easy, girlfriend. I'm not even kidding. It's so good. Yum. Okay, so I just made that just now, so I'm so excited. Okay, so let's get into the pizza. Oh, yes, girl. Oh my goodness, look at this. Yum! Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, I'm just gonna eat right out of the box. All right, and then let me move this a little bit so it's down a little more. Look at this. Okay, you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. But I have to give my husband some pizza. He's like, you better share that pizza with me. That looks good. So let me put some to the side and go give some to him real quick. Okay, you guys, let's dig in. I told the guy extra onions. He's like, okay, double onions. Yep, heard, got it. And he didn't. There's like very few onions on here. But there's onions, mushrooms, bell peppers, and then these are like some field roast type vegan protein or something like that. I don't know what it is, but it looks good. It looks like it's got some kind of like breading on it. And then we've got some ranch. I think this cheese is Daiya cheese, honestly. Like, I'm not the biggest fan of Daiya cheese, but it's okay. Okay. And then, you guys, I got this hot sauce. This is the El Yucateca hot sauce. It's so good. This is habanero, chili habanero. It's the green kind. It's the only kind I get. It's so freaking good. It's so spicy. They have this on sale at the grocery stores, like here. They have it on sale at like H-E-B, and it's only like $1.50, $1.75. When I was in Mexico, they sold this stuff in like gift shops and shit, and they were trying to sell it for like $5 a bottle. I was like, no ma'am, no way. Oh my God. Holy shit balls, dude. Wow. You guys, I like a lot of ranch on my pizza. I like a lot of sauce. Ooh, this is so good. When I dip stuff, like when I put sauces on my food, I like to have the sauces on the side, like ranch, ketchup, and all that stuff, and then like dip individually, like make the perfect bite. I don't like to put ranch all over the pizza and then eat the slice. I like to put it on per bite, just like salsa, like hot sauce. I have to put it on per bite instead of putting it on all over the food. You know what I mean? Wow, this is so freaking good. Honestly, I like my pizza better, but this is freaking good. I should make my own pizza for you guys for a video. Oh my God, I love my pizza. I put tons and tons of veggies on there. Look at this hot sauce. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, baby. Dude. Oh my God. It's so good. I got this like watermelon sparkling water at Whole Foods. It's good, but I don't like flavored sparkling water. I just want regular sparkling water, but I didn't look hard enough. That's all I could find. Yum. Last night, yesterday was my friend's birthday, one of my very best friends, and I spent the whole day with her. And we had a surprise birthday party at her house for her last night. Mama had too much juice. I'm tired today. And then I have to go to work tonight, but that's okay. You guys, this is so good. So yeah, last night at the party, at parties, I'm so like, whenever I like get a couple of cocktails in me, all I want to do is dance. I was just dancing in the living room the whole time. That's how it goes. I wonder what these things are. You guys, field roast is so good. They're killing it lately. I think when I first tried them, I had something that I didn't really like, and so I just never really like bought them again. But they're good. Baby, do you like the pizza?
Yeah, I do.
Good. I've never filmed a mukbang with my husband being home. It's so funny. He's so shy though. I don't know if he'd ever be in a mukbang with me. You guys have to try this hot sauce. It's so spicy. I like to put this in my ranch sometimes. Do you guys eat the crust to your pizza? It's like the best to dip in ranch, you know? You guys, it's so good. I'm already full, you guys. I was so hungry at Whole Foods that I bought a bag of chips. I was eating it while I was waiting for the pizza. I was just sitting there by the pizza counter, just eating the chips, waiting for my big ass pizza. I was starving like Marvin, man. Okay, this piece looks good. I should have got jalapenos on here. So I was at my mom's house the other day and we were talking, and then I pick up my phone and I got a comment on one of my videos. So I open it up to reply and my video starts playing. And my mom's like, oh, is that one of your videos? And I was like, yeah. And she goes, oh, I loved your last video. And I go, what? You watch my videos? And she goes, yeah, I watch your videos. I watch every single one of them. And I was so surprised because I was like, Mom, you watch my videos? She's like, yes, of course I do. I'm like, oh my God, I love you. Because I didn't even think like she knew how to like computers are like foreign to her. You know what I mean? So, but yeah, so she watches my videos and she was saying that like, that she loves it. And she was like, she's so sweet. Of course, she's my mom. She's like, you got something there, Madison. I watched your video. I watched your Diet Coke video where you're burping. And she's like, that's weird, but I guess, you know, whatever. I was like, thanks, Mom. And then she's like, and then I watched another video that like came up after that and it was boring. I couldn't get over how boring it was. So then I went and watched another one of your videos. I was like, oh my God. My mom's my biggest fan. I love it so much. It was so sweet. I couldn't believe she watched my videos. I was like, oh my God, that's so awesome. I want my mom to be in one of my videos. Maybe she will. That would be so awesome. My mom is so little. Like, I'm 5'9", 5'8", 5'9", and my mom is 5'2". She's so little. I'm like, where did I come from? Why am I so big? So, right when we stand next to each other, she's like the little mini-me. You guys, I'm getting so full. I don't think I'll be able to finish much more of this. I literally ate a whole bag of chips. Oh, my kitty's outside. Hi, Sally. Do you guys have a cat? My cat is nuts. Like, she goes outside and she hunts everything. Like, she'll bring in, like, into the house, like lizards, bugs. She's brought in a couple birds, mice, snakes. Oh my God. This cat has brought in like 3-4 snakes into the house. Oh my God. She's insane. And like, she doesn't kill them. She just brings them in and like just has them. She'll like bring them like right over there in the kitchen area, and then she just like brings them in and then stares at them and watches them like move around, and if they like try to run away, she like corrals them back into the middle of the kitchen and just stares at them. I'm like, oh, you're crazy. I don't know how many bugs and snakes and all kinds of stuff I've had to get out of my house before. Like, I don't even think I can count it. She's insane. Yeah, this is good pizza. I think it is the Daiya cheese because I'm not the biggest fan of Daiya cheese. There's so many amazing vegan cheeses out there these days. But Daiya cheese is coming back. They have some better products now. This is not extra onion. Like, when I say extra onion, I'm like, put more onion than you think I need. And then when you think that's extra onion, then put some more onion on it. And then we should be good, okay? Like, I don't fuck around with onion. You know? Okay, you guys. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!